There's really four elements, overarching elements that have changed. One is the advancement of the pre-design, which is the study that we learned about how to reconstruct the Class 1 high hazard Lower Lake Dam that was built in the 1800s, but certainly was not built to modern day standards, does not meet current ODNR standards and specifications. So how do you reconstruct a Class 1 dam in this urban landscape? And we learned a lot from that, that it's quite challenging and expensive to do that. We also learned from that pre-design effort what it would look like. So it would be quite obtrusive to this lake landscape and create a different dynamic there. So that was an important understanding as we moved that forward into the public forum. And then, all along the while, we're trying to solve watershed issues up and down the Dome Brook watershed. And we understand from past modeling that we need additional conveyance in the University Circle area where we have a 1 mile long culvert that conveys Dome Brook through that area of the watershed. Our understanding is that we need additional conveyance there, more flow through that area. We're in a culvert. There's limitations to how flow can move. So we need additional culvert capacity or an additional culvert in University Circle. So we've gained an understanding of where that culvert could be located, how it could be constructed, and we have a partner that is willing to work with us to construct that. The district would obviously construct that, but we need a location to construct that. So we've identified that partner and we're working with them. The last element is the modeling refinement that has carried through all of these different elements. So in order to construct these projects or solve these problems in the watershed, we're continuing to put new inputs into our model and refine that data. And that data has given us greater ability to analyze, given us a truer account, a more accurate account of flooding occurrences for different buildings, transportation, or utility impacts in the watershed. And that refinement has led us to an understanding of the limitations or the now not notable flood benefit of Lower Lake. And so that's how we've arrived at this revised recommendation here in 2025 for the Lower Lake reconstruction.